How to check balance on Amazon gift card without redeeming. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can discover and verify the balance of an Amazon gift card without applying it to your account using methods compatible with laptops, computer, iOS and Android devices. So no matter which device you're using, you can, do it. So first of all, you gotta head over to amazon.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. And then you're going to click on your account over here. And once you do so, you will be redirected to your account where you'll be able to see various options. So what you're going to do is click on gift cards over here. And once you do so, if you have gift card balance, you'll be able to see that over here. Right now, my balance is 0. If you wish to reload your balance, you can click on reload your balance, or if you wish to redeem a gift card, you can click on it. And over here at the bottom, you'll see a table where you'll be able to see gift card activity. So that is basically how you can check balance on Amazon gift card without redeeming. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.